it. Well, this is a rare sight. An empty car park in this office building. Hope everybody is well and fine, and we have a very special mission today. That's why I'm coming to the office. Okay, let's go. Okay, camera, lights, action. Well, this is me doing this myself. But anyway, this does not take away the excitement from this new product launch by DeLonghi. On the previous one, we had a few models where the colors are different. This round, what we're going to check out is this Distinta Moment. Let's open it up. You will find this. Ta-da! This will be the... So you have some manuals, and there will be a piece of paper here to activate your warranty as well. So you have the thing to tit it also. You have this. And what's cool about this is it's actually extendable. So it's pretty cool. And there's a snap. Right, so there's a snap to hold your wires. Then you actually put it up. Product placement, logo face outside. Besides looking so amazingly exquisite, the main differentiation is also by function. There's this on and off button here. There's a safety feature to it where once you turn it on, but sometimes you forget that it's on and you take it up, right? It's automatically switched off again. Also, as they measure the content of water inside, when the volume of water is too low, you cannot really switch it on. Not only that, if you open it, right, there's this lid that acts as a filter. You are required, you take this out and you scrub it or you rinse it. It also filters out the particles for you. So that's amazing. Moving on to the next thing. For this, we will review the other color. This one is the white one. This is a 2-slice toaster, pretty big. Never thought that toaster would need such a big box. So it's also part of the Distinta Moments series, and we shall open it now. So there's this thing. Ta-da! Again, the warranty card, as well as such a thick manual for a toaster. Whew. Isn't this just amazing looking? It's as usual very vintage looking, very iconic DeLonghi. Then you have that matte white, you have that gloss strip of steel. This is the window where we switch like how brown we want the braid to be, and you can really hear the button. It's very snappy, it's very nice to twist. And if there's anything wrong with the toaster, there's always an eject button here. This is not only designed for bread. You can actually have several functions. Like one is toasting, then one is defrosting, and there's one for bagel. Sometimes you want to do reheating. There's this tray. It's perfectly designed for this toaster. And you can slice whatever bread here. Or you can even put your croissant or your sandwich. You just put it up here and you turn it on. You can also reheat. So that's pretty cool. After you do several toasting already, right? There'll be breadcrumbs. And how do you clean? Usually we just like that up. There's a special compartment at the bottom. As you can just put it out. It's so well thought of. It's so well designed. Who would ever thought a toaster can be this sophisticated? I really like it. It will look so good, especially in a makeover unit. It really stands out when your tenant or yourself walks to the kitchen, right? Suddenly, wow, DeLonghi way. Thanks to you guys as well. The previous collaboration, it was very well received. Everyone liked it. So now you will be able to find these appliances in your upcoming makeover units. We're gonna announce it soon on our latest campaign. Do stay tuned for it, but we really are very excited towards this product being in our makeover. The concept behind it, still form and function, is just great. So I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching, and do stay tuned, right? Do check out our latest campaign. I promise you it's very exciting.